Hey, so listen, it's your boy Ace RL, aka Big Chic round this. So today I'm gonna do something new. I normally don't do videos like this, right? But I'm gonna do a mukbang, right? So this is the brand new Yaki Saba noodles. They got the chili cheese flavor, y'all. Look, the chili cheese flavor. We finna try these joints out. Brand new, just came out. We finna try them out. So y'all know me, man. I'm from the streets. I threw a little hot corn chips in that joint, give it a little flavor. We gonna see what they talking about, all right? Say they hot too. It's good. I got the AC blowing, so I'm good. You know the crazy part about it? I ain't think they could pull this motherfucker off though. Right? Straight up. But I could actually taste the chili and the cheese and the noodle. Like literally the chili and the cheese. Oh man. That shit good. Shit fire. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm damn near ready to record a hit. I'm damn near ready to record a hit off these chili cheese noodles. Hold on. That shit so fire. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That shit fire. That shit all the way fire. And then when you throw the little chips in there too, like, I like my food spicy. I like spicy food, you know what I'm saying? So it should always make a difference, but it don't take away from the chili and the cheese. I don't take away from that chili cheese at all. Listen, out of 10, I'm gonna give them a 10 for a 10. Go try that. The brand new chili cheese flavored noodles. 10 out of 10, straight up. More mukbangs coming soon.